Hey everyone, my name is Jade Ponce. I'm a professional makeup artist who also happens to be transgendered, and today I'm going to show you how I like to show my pride during Pride Month. First up, we gotta prime. I'm going to start off with a white eyeshadow base. You can use a white concealer, an eyeshadow primer, anything will do the trick as long as you have a white base to amplify your shadows for maximum pop. But a pro tip, if you use a little bit of translucent powder underneath the eye area, it protects from fallout so you can just dust it away. Starting off with our rainbow, we're going to apply a little bit of red in our inner corner. I'm using a nice fluffy brush working in very circular motions. Next, to help blend out that red shade, we're going to apply a little bit of orange. Next is yellow. Next, green. Next we have blue. We're going to apply that into our deepest outside corner. Last but not least, we're going to add a little bit of purple to blend out that blue. I'm keeping that really close to that blue shade right into my outside, and I'm just lightly working in circular motions, going back and forth, extending that out. Before we move on to liquid liner, I'm going to use those same exact shades right on the lower lash line. Instead of going from the inside out, we're going to go the outside in. Now that I have all my shades placed, I'm going to take a fluffy clean brush and go all around the edges, making sure it's nice and cohesive and all blended. We're going to apply some liquid liner. I like to start off on my outside wing first, pulling out into my eyebrow and bringing it into the middle of my lid. And then just fill that in. Taking a white eyeliner, I'm going to pop that in my inner corner, making sure it's nice and bright. Next, with a black eyeliner, I'm going to fill the rest of that in. Now that we have our shadow and liner done, the next is lashes. I always start off by curling my lashes first. Following that up with a little mascara. Don't worry about applying a lot, we're going to put falsies on today. And there we are. That's the finished eye look, and now let's move on to my favorite part, the finishing touches. Most people shy away from a little bit of blush, but I feel like once you have a lot of color, you really need to go all in if you're going to do it. I'm just applying that in circular motions onto my cheekbones, onto the apples of my cheeks, sweeping a little onto my temples, and not forgetting the center of the face. Now onto my actual favorite part, highlight. And don't forget your Cupid's bow. And with an eye look like this, a nude lip is a must. And hey, it's summer, don't forget a little bit of gloss. Don't forget to comment down below, and if you recreate a pride look, tag us so we can see what you're doing.